Look at this. Faded, cracked, sun-beaten outdoor furniture and a deck that looks like it's been abandoned for 20 years. Gray, dull, completely washed out. Now look at this. Same furniture, same deck, same backyard, but completely transformed. Deep color restored, surface protected, looking brand new, and I did it for under $6. No professional refinisher, no expensive equipment, no replacing a single piece, just a few everyday products that most people either already have at home or can grab at any dollar store. Stay right here, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring faded outdoor furniture and a sun-damaged deck back to life permanently. Before we go any further, quick safety note. We're working with cleaning agents and surface treatments today. Wear gloves, work in a ventilated outdoor area, keep children and pets away from the workspace while products are drying, and always read the label on any product you use. Do not skip any step in this video. Every part of this process builds on the last one, and skipping even one stage means you won't get these results. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now. We drop practical DIY restoration videos every week that save you serious money. Let's get into it. Summer did this to your outdoor furniture, and here's the thing. Most people think fading is just cosmetic, just a color issue, but it's not. When your furniture and deck look like that, gray, chalky, dried out, the material itself is breaking down. UV radiation from the summer sun is literally eating into the surface layer of your wood, plastic, and metal furniture every single day. By midsummer in most climates, outdoor furniture and decks have already absorbed thousands of hours of direct UV exposure. And what does that do? It oxidizes the surface. It strips the natural oils out of wood. It breaks down the pigment molecules in plastic and paint. It causes metal to oxidize faster under its coating. What you're left with is a surface that's structurally weakened, visually dull, and completely unprotected against further damage. Most people see this and think it's over. They assume the only option is to replace everything. And that can cost hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars. But it's not over. And today I'm going to prove it to you. Here's everything you're going to need for this restoration. First, white vinegar. A large bottle costs about $1 at any grocery store or dollar store. This is your primary cleaner and oxidation remover. Second, baking soda. Under $1 for a standard box. This is your gentle abrasive and deodorizer. Third, dish soap. A small amount from whatever bottle you already have at home, essentially free. Fourth, linseed oil or olive oil for wood surfaces. Linseed oil is the professional's choice. You can find a small can at any hardware store for around $2 to $3. If you're only doing a small piece, olive oil from your kitchen works as a temporary fix. Fifth, petroleum jelly or Vaseline, under $1 for a small tub. This is your secret weapon for plastic furniture and plastic-coated metal. Total cost, under $6. And every single one of these is available at a dollar store, grocery store, or local hardware shop. No specialty products, no online orders, no waiting. Now, let me explain the science, because when you understand why this works, you'll trust the process and you'll get better results. The sun emits ultraviolet radiation, UVA and UVB rays. These rays carry enough energy to break chemical bonds in the surface of any material they hit repeatedly. On wood, UV rays destroy lignin. That's the natural polymer that holds wood fibers together and gives wood its color. When lignin breaks down, wood turns gray, becomes brittle, and starts to crack. On plastic, UV rays attack the polymer chains in the material itself, causing oxidation. That's the chalky, faded white layer you see on plastic outdoor furniture. On metal, UV heat accelerates oxidation under any painted or coated finish, causing it to bubble, peel, or fade. Now, here's how we reverse it. White vinegar is acetic acid. When you apply it to an oxidized surface, it breaks down and dissolves the oxidation layer. It's a gray, chalky, dead material sitting on top of your furniture. It lifts it away and exposes the healthier material underneath. Baking soda adds a mild mechanical abrasion that works with the vinegar reaction to scrub away surface damage without scratching. Linseed oil penetrates deep into wood fibers, replacing the natural oils the sun burned away, and then it polymerizes. It actually hardens inside the wood to form a protective layer. Petroleum jelly creates a physical UV-blocking barrier on plastic surfaces that stops further oxidation and restores the deep color by filling in the microscopic cracks that make plastic look dull and faded. This is not guesswork. This is basic surface chemistry, and today you're using it to save hundreds of dollars. Now let's get into the actual restoration process. We're going to go through wood, then plastic, then metal. Start with wood surfaces, your deck or wooden furniture. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of dish soap in a bucket of warm water. This is your cleaning solution. Using a stiff scrubbing brush, the kind you'd use for dishes, apply this solution to the entire wood surface. Work in sections. Scrub firmly in the direction of the wood grain. You're going to see the gray, dead surface start to loosen immediately. That gray layer, that's oxidized lignin, it will start coming off right in front of you. Scrub the entire surface thoroughly. Let the solution sit for 5 to 10 minutes after scrubbing. Do not let it dry completely. Then rinse with clean water and let the surface dry fully, ideally in shade for an hour or two. Now mix 1 part baking soda with 1 part white vinegar into a paste. Apply this paste directly to any stubborn dark stains, deep gray patches, or water-stained areas. Let the paste sit for 5 minutes. You'll see it fizzing. That fizzing reaction is the baking soda and vinegar actively lifting the oxidized material out of the wood grain. Scrub those areas gently with a softer brush or cloth, then rinse again. Now your wood surface is clean and bare. All the dead material is gone. This is where the real restoration happens. Take your linseed oil. Apply a generous coat to the entire wood surface using a clean cloth or a brush. Work it into the grain. The wood is going to drink this in, especially on very faded wood. You'll see it absorbing almost instantly. Apply a first coat, let it soak in for 20 minutes, then apply a second coat. On extremely dry and faded wood, do a third coat. Let it cure for at least 4 hours before touching. As the oil absorbs and begins to harden, the wood color will deepen dramatically. Gray, dead wood will come back to a rich, warm brown tone. The surface will stop looking dry and cracked and start looking smooth, full, and alive again. For plastic furniture, chairs, tables, planters, storage boxes, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray the entire plastic surface and scrub with a soft cloth or sponge. This removes the top layer of chalky oxidation. Rinse it off and let it dry completely. Now take your petroleum jelly, Vaseline. Apply a thin layer all over the plastic surface using a cloth or even just your gloved fingers. Rub it in gently in circular motions. Watch what happens. The deep color of the plastic comes back almost immediately. The chalky white surface disappears. The plastic starts to look rich, deep, and saturated again, almost like it just came out of the store. The petroleum jelly is filling in all those microscopic UV-damaged cracks that made the surface look dull, and it's creating a protective coating that will block further UV damage. Buff off any excess with a clean, dry cloth. One application lasts for weeks, and you can reapply whenever the plastic starts to look dull again. For metal furniture with faded paint or coating, start with the same vinegar and water solution to clean the surface and remove any rust spots or oxidation. For any areas where the paint has fully lifted or peeled, sand those spots lightly with fine sandpaper, clean the dust away, then apply a small amount of matching outdoor spray paint or metal primer. For the rest of the surface, the faded but intact areas, apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly and buff it in. This restores depth to the color and protects the surface from further UV and moisture damage. Now let's look at the results. The same furniture and deck that looked completely written off just a few hours ago. Look at the wood. Deep, warm, rich color. The grain is visible again. The surface looks smooth and full, not dried out and cracked. Run your hand across it. It feels completely different. Solid, protected. The plastic chairs, jet black or deep green again, depending on their original color. No more chalky white surface, no more fading. They look like they just came out of a furniture showroom. The metal pieces, color restored, surface sealed, no rust progression. This is a complete transformation, and it cost under $6. Compare that to what it would cost to replace a full set of outdoor furniture or restain and professionally refinish a deck. Hundreds of dollars, sometimes over $1,000. You just bypassed all of that. A few critical safety and maintenance points before you go. Always wear rubber or nitrile gloves when working with vinegar and cleaning agents, especially if you have sensitive skin. Work outdoors or in a very well-ventilated area. Keep linseed oil-soaked rags away from direct sunlight or heat sources while they're drying. Linseed oil can generate heat as it cures. Lay them flat and spread out, or dispose of them safely. For best results, do this restoration on a cloudy or overcast day, not in direct blazing sun. High heat makes cleaning solutions evaporate too fast and prevents oils from soaking in properly. Early morning or late afternoon on a warm day is ideal. After the restoration, protect your furniture and deck from further sun damage with a simple patio cover or umbrella when not in use. Reapply the petroleum jelly treatment to plastic furniture every 4 to 6 weeks during summer. Reapply linseed oil to wood surfaces once a season, or twice if your summers are extremely intense. These are simple maintenance habits that will keep your outdoor space looking brand new year after year. You just saved hundreds of dollars and gave your outdoor furniture and deck a second life, using products that cost less than a fast food meal. White vinegar, baking soda, dish soap, linseed oil, petroleum jelly, that's it, under $6, and the results speak for themselves. Summer sun damage is not permanent, fading is not the end, and you don't need to replace or refinish anything professionally to get a dramatic transformation. You just need the right chemistry and the right process. If this video helped you, and I know it did, hit that like button right now. Leave a comment below telling me what you're restoring. I want to see your before and after results. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video like this. Next video, we're doing something just as dramatic. You're not going to want to skip that one. I'll see you there.